When installing cable, you have to remember that the pulleys, they're both the same, but they are side dependent. The easiest way you can do that is from looking from the system outward, right side, left side. The right side pull has this nut on the top. The left side has it on the bottom. And you'll notice that they are different. Prepare to install the cable by first loosening up the screw on your pulley and opening up the pulley housing. Next, be careful and take the zip ties off. Now you want to slide the glider into the end of the track, like this. Wrap the cable around the pulley. Put the top on. Put the screw in. Pulleys come with a plastic connector on here. Leave that on. Now, as you walk down the length of the pool, unroll the cable into the track channel.